Nandito kami ngayon sa bypass. Pasya lang tuwing hapon. Nakalanghap ng masarap na hangin. Yan. Super ganda. Nakakapaglaro yung mga bata dito ng motor, bike, skateboard. Mamaya pupunta kami dun sa part na maraming nagja-jogging. Dito lang to sa harap ng municipal office ng Tayabas.
Hi guys! Ayan si Kuya nag-skateboard. Ang bilis niya. Wow! Oh, yun siya guys. Yun lang.
Hi guys! So, andito na kami ngayon. Naglalakad na ako papunta sa mga nagja-jog. Ayun, may isang nang nagja-jogging. Masarap dito mag-jogging pagkasama mo yung loved ones mo. So ako, busy yung loved one ko. Ayun si Jacob ba? Ayun, may mga nagja-jogging na lovers. And super sarap dito guys. Maglakad. Sarap magpahangin. Sarap kalimutan ng lahat ng problema. Punta tayo dun. So ngayon, wala pa masyado nagja-jogging kasi medyo mainit pa. Pero mamaya, meron na yan. Ayun si Jacob. Hinahabol niya ako guys. Ayan, may nakikita na kayong nagja-jogging. Paisa-isa lang sila. Yan lang.
Hello guys! Pabalik na kami sa e-bike.
Ang kulit.
Mahangin dito guys.
So ayan. Yan, nagja-jogging si Kuya.
Dami nang nagja-jogging dito.
Kami walking lang.
Ako drive lang.
Si Kuya, skateboard lang. Nandun siya. So, every weekend, nandito kami. Kapag hindi maulan.
Kapag
Yung mga nakaraan, sobrang ulan.
gawa ng bagyong uwan.
Ng bagyong uwan. Pero ngayon, sobrang ganda na ng panahon. Maaraw, mahangin.
Maganda yung araw ngayon. Hindi maulan.
Yan.
Kahapon nag-ulan eh. Malapit na kami guys sa
Ayan ang
e-bike.
e-bike namin. Iniwan namin dyan kasi nag-walking kami. Sige guys, dito na lang. Bye-bye. Tapos na kami mag-walking, mag-motor,
Magme-merienda
and
na kami.
skateboard.
Magme-merienda
Nagyayaya
na.
naman to ng merienda. Ito yung aking anak na isa. Hello, kuya.
Yung
Say
pangalan.
hello.
Hello.
And ito yung bunso. And yung panganay wala. Yung asawa ko. Panganay yun. So yan guys, oh, tuwing dapit hapon, sobrang ganda.
Guys, may jet dun oh.
Meron ding jet doon.
Ayan.
Ayun. Yan.
Yun
So
lang.
pauwi na kami. Maghanap kami ng merienda at ulam. Ano kayang ulam? Anong gusto niyong ulam?
I don't know. Yun
Ikaw
lang
kuya,
na.
anong gusto mo ulam?
Chicken.
Wow, yan naman si chicken.
Yun
Always
lang,
chicken.
guys.
So, yan.
Maya ulit.
Uwi na kami. Maya ulit.
Nakauwi na kami, guys. Magto-toasted bread na kami. Ito, guys, oh. Naluluto na.
Ito yung palaman namin.
Peanut butter. Ito yung teddy bear ko, guys. Pangalan niya ay Blue. Wala siyang isang mata.
Nabulag siya.
Manonood ako, guys. Maluluto na, guys, yung tinapay.
Try ko cheese yung palaman.
Ayan na, guys. Ayan yung kitchen namin. What? Malapit na, guys, maluto.
What a beautiful... I just out camping with my friend. Yeah. Oh, Seth, we're a shooting star. Wait, what? Whoa, a shooting
Hi,
star.
guys.
That's sick. And he said, make a wish, man. Oh,
So, galing ako kanina sa binyagan and gusto daw lumabas ditong bata. Kaya, punta kami sa bypass.
Teddy bear to, guys.
So, yan, nagluluto na kami ng ayun.
Ay, ayan na. Luto na, guys. Kuhain na.
Luto na yung aming
Mainit yan.
bread.
Yan.
Okay na ba yan? Or ano, i-toast pa?
Okay na yan.
Ayan, so okay na yan, guys. Kuhanin na namin.
Alright. What? Hindi mainit eh. Yan, lalagyan na namin.
So, lalagyan namin
Peanut butter.
peanut butter. Ito yung merienda niya.
What the heck? Like a wet Bugatti. How did you get that?
Ito yung ginagamit naming peanut butter, guys. Kasi hindi siya ma-oil.
These are so expensive.
Masarap
Sa
siya, guys.
healthy,
The wish came true.
hindi siya ma-oil.
What do you mean? How did it just come true? I just
Malasa siya, guys.
Malasa.
my name on the plates.
Nabili namin to sa SNR, sa Lucena.
Bugatti in his house. Okay, yeah, something weird is going on. You're telling me the shooting star
Super favorite nila to.
actually worked? I guess so. And he said, wait, what did you wish for?
Kain, guys.
Just test it. Come on.
Ito yan.
Oh my gosh, if this works, my life has changed forever.
So ako naman, iba ang gusto ko ngayon. Cheese ang gusto ko ngayon na palaman.
No way this works. No way this works. It wouldn't even make
Para
sense
maiba
logic.
naman.
Hey,
Cheese
chef,
ang
how's it going? And he said, oh, hey, here's your order. Can I take your order? Oh, let me just get an order of this. Coming right up. Okay.
So, ganito lang ginagawa namin.
You're our 1 millionth customer.
Dito sa bahay.
You get your food 100% free. Bro, it worked. Ken,
Stop.
enjoy your meal, sir. Whoa. Can I get a free
Stop,
meal
bebe.
now?
Yummy?
No, sorry.
Yummy?
Ken. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it worked.
Yummy?
Ken, my wish was everything I touch
Yeah.
becomes free. And guess what? I touched it and somehow somehow I was the 1 millionth customer and it's free. What the heck? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Nanonood ako guys ng Roblox.
What have you tried at the car dealership? Well, let's see. Guys, if this works, then let's see the
Crispy,
deal.
guys.
Favorite niya ang mga Roblox niya.
Well, there's no way this works, right? There's no way I get a free car. Okay, but here we are at the car dealership.
Santa, guys.
I don't know that many cars here, but it should be
Merienda.
fine. Oh, with the car salesman. Hello, sir. How can I help you? Hey, how's it going? Just shopping around. All right, let's have a look then. Follow me. Okay, what have we got here? Some decent-looking cars. I mean, not my top picks, but they're kind of chill. He said, this is our supercar. You know what? This is the best car they have. I think I'm going to touch it. He said, racing one. Now, how much do these cost? Oh, this one costs 20K, and the one near it costs 100.
Hello! Nandito kami ngayon sa Ikusan. Kakain kami ng dinner.
Kain kami.
Yan, Ikusan. So, ito ay restaurant na dito sa Wakas, Tayabas, Quezon. Sobrang sarap dito, guys. I-try nyo. Meron pa silang mga pa-sound trip. Pwede ka dyan kumanta. Antayin lang namin yung pagkain. Gutom na kami.
Hello guys, matutulog na kami. Good night.
Kuya. Kuya, say good night sa vlog. Good night, everyone.
Good night guys.